Ladies and gentlemen, feast your eyes on the return of a legend. The Volkswagen Type 2, also known as the Microbus, the Combi, or the hippie van, is back in 2025 with a modern twist. And trust me, this is not just a trip down memory lane, it's a futuristic masterpiece. Volkswagen has done the impossible, bringing back the charm of the original Type 2 but infusing it with modern design language. The round headlights, the V-shaped front panel, and that iconic two-tone paint job, it's all here. But look closer, and you'll see sleek LED lighting, aerodynamic lines, and futuristic alloy wheels that make it look like a concept car straight from the future. Forget the old air-cooled engines. The 2025 Volkswagen Type 2 is now fully electric. Built on VW's advanced MEB platform, this beauty packs a dual-motor all-wheel drive system, delivering up to 335 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right. That's more power than some sports cars. And range anxiety? Not a problem. With a massive 100 kilowatt-hour battery, the new Type 2 offers an impressive 280 miles, 450 kilometers, of range on a full charge. Plus, thanks to fast-charging technology, you can juice up from 10% to 80% in just 30 minutes. Road trips just got a whole lot more exciting. Step inside, and you'll feel like you're in a high-end luxury lounge. The 2025 Type 2 offers a spacious, open cabin with premium vegan leather seats, real wood trims, and customizable ambient lighting. The massive 15-inch touchscreen dominates the dashboard, running VW's latest infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even voice control. And check this out, the front seats can swivel 180 degrees, turning the cabin into a social space. There's even a fold-out table and a panoramic sunroof to let in that natural light, making every trip feel like a VIP experience. This isn't just a stylish throwback, it's packed with the latest tech. The new Type 2 features Level 3 autonomous driving, allowing for hands-free cruising on highways. It also has adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, 360-degree cameras, and even an augmented reality heads-up display. And for road trippers, here's the best part, it comes with an onboard solar panel roof that can add up to 15 miles of extra range per day just from the sun. Now, let's talk numbers. The base model starts at $55,000, while the fully loaded version can hit $75,000. Is it expensive? Yes. But for a fully electric, high-tech, retrofuturistic van that brings back one of the most iconic designs in history, it's worth every penny. So, what do you think? Is the 2025 Volkswagen Type 2 the ultimate modern classic? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more exclusive content on the world's most expensive and exciting cars. This is the Expensive Cars. See you in the next ride.